Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to contact Hotmail or Outlook support quickly and easily. If you've ever had trouble with your email, lost access, or just need help, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. Stick around because I'll show you the fastest way to get real support from Microsoft. First, open your favorite web browser and go to the Microsoft Outlook login page. Enter your Hotmail or Outlook email address and password to sign in. Make sure you log in to the correct account because support will need to verify your identity. Once you're logged in, head to the Outlook homepage. Look for the Help section, usually located in the top right corner. It might appear as a question mark icon or simply labeled Help. Click on it to access resources and support options. Inside the Help menu, you'll see a range of FAQs and troubleshooting articles. These are super helpful for solving common issues quickly. But if your problem isn't resolved, don't worry. You can directly contact Microsoft support via email, live chat, or phone. Select the option that works best for you. When reaching out, be ready to provide some key details. Explain when the issue started, any error messages you've received, and the steps you've already tried. This helps the support team understand your problem faster and provide a solution efficiently. And that's it. Following these steps makes contacting Hotmail support simple and stress-free. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.